Right, hello, welcome back to the studio. Today we're going to do a little colour exercise here. On the palette here I've laid out a limited palette: ultramarine blue, alizarin crimson, cadmium yellow. I've put two yellows, but I'll explain that later on. White, which is not a colour, is a neutral, and over here I've put some viridian green, and I'll talk about that later on. With a limited palette you can mix any colour at all. So I'm going to illustrate a few colours here, and this is something that you can do back at home in your studio. So first of all, it needs to be red, yellow and blue. The reason we use ultramarine and crimson and cadmium yellow is because they are stronger pigments and they give better quality. You could use cobalt blue if you don't have ultramarine. It's probably not a good idea to use cadmium red. The reason we use alizarin crimson, as you can see, it's a lovely deep red. If we add some cadmium yellow to our crimson, we should get a lovely cadmium red, as you can see there. Okay, so we've created a red. The reason we want to keep crimson on the palette is to make a lovely deep dark tone. If we take our ultramarine, add some alizarin crimson to it, we get a lovely deep purple. Now, as we know here, we've got the three primary colours, red, yellow and blue. What happens if we add the three colours together? They should neutralise and create a black. So I've added crimson and ultramarine here. If I put some yellow into this in here, touch more blue, what we